Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to Ride Along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. Spring is in the air at Reynolds Community College, and we're in full stride as we reach the semester's midpoint. We recently spent an incredible week in the city of brotherly love at Dream 2025. Dream is the annual gathering of Achieving the Dream, the nation's premier network focused on student success. This year's event was the largest convening in Dream's history, with nearly 2,500 leaders from across the country coming together to share ideas, make connections, and be inspired. The conference featured renowned scholars, policymakers, and students presenting on the most pressing issues in higher education, offering innovative solutions, groundbreaking research, and powerful stories of resilience and success. What stood out most was the unwavering commitment of this community. Leaders, educators, and advocates who show up every day to make a difference for students. These conversations reinforced what we already know. The work we do isn't just important. For so many of our students, it's life-changing. A special highlight for Reynolds was seeing our incredible academic leaders, Nicole Tong and Dr. Breanne Jackson, present their work on developing model courses to a packed audience. Their session generated tremendous interest, and we couldn't be prouder to see them leading important conversations on high-impact practices in teaching and learning. Last month, we talked about our visit to the Virginia General Assembly, where we shared Reynolds' impact and priorities. This time, we took the conversation to the national stage. I joined over 1,400 community college leaders at the 2025 Community College National Legislative Summit in Washington, D.C., to ensure our students and colleges remain a part of the conversation. I was honored to introduce Senator Tim Kaine at the Congressional Forum. A true champion for community colleges, he has long been a strong advocate for expanding career pathways, increasing access to education, and ensuring that all students, regardless of background, have the opportunity to succeed. Even with the cold and snow on Capitol Hill, and I mean cold, the energy and momentum at the summit made it all worthwhile. Higher education is evolving rapidly, and staying engaged in these discussions ensure we continue to open doors for students and communities. Back here at Reynolds, we marked a major milestone with the grand opening of the Career Connect Center at our downtown campus. The Career Connect Center is a launchpad for dreams, opportunities, and brighter futures, designed to help students navigate their career paths with confidence. Whether they're exploring career options, preparing for the job market, or looking for internships and apprenticeships, the center provides personalized support every step of the way. Services include career coaching, resume and interview prep, job search assistance, employer networking events, and access to work-based learning opportunities. By bringing together Reynolds Career Services and CCWA, the Community College Workforce Alliance, the center is making it easier than ever for students to take the next step toward a meaningful career. And before we wrap up, mark your calendar. Our spring open house is coming up on April 23rd at 5:30 p.m. at our Parham Road campus. If you know a high school student exploring their options, an adult looking for a career change, or someone ready to upskill with top-notch credentials, this is the event for them. We can't wait to welcome future Reynolds students. Thanks for riding along with us this month. Your support of Reynolds makes all the difference. See you next time.